Oh my God.
Hurry up,
She
Sadie.
really slimmed down, didn't she?
Yeah. Hurry up, come on. Run, run, run. It's that grass is taller. Where's the toy? Get the toy. Come on. Are you cutting the grass? Look what I got. Oh, what'd you get on your hands? Oh, no. Well, you did it. You did it. Is it off? Let's see. Here. Come on out of the sun, Sadie. Where's Sydney? Sydney.
Mommy.
Where's Sydney?
What'd you find? Is that a shark? Or a fishy?
Where's Sydney?
Do you love Sydney?
She's coming.
I'm coming.
You need help?
You jumped. He's a big jumper. You want to show how you jump?
Wow.
Sadie, can you jump?
That's really high.
Careful. Don't get an owie. Do you want to show Sydney your owie?
Yeah.
Your owie on your leg? I know Sydney's into owies, right? Yeah.
Grandpa,
Also known as a boo-boo.
a boo-boo.
You want to show Sydney your boo-boo? I found it. You found it? Sydney, did Jasper have a boo-boo? No.
Grandpa has a boo-boo.
Show Sydney your boo-boo.
What's on your leg? Your boo-boo.
Show her your owie.
Your leg. Sadie's leg. She keeps looking at Sydney's legs. Sadie's leg.
Tonight or the weekend?
Where's the night?
Sydney.
I really injured Sydney twice today. She went to dump the garbage with me, and I thought she was with me, but it's kind of shut on her. And I banged her in.
Ashes. Ashes. We all
Oh. Yay!
Hey!
Oh, God.
Oh, she's trying to pull her up.
Good thing her belly's empty now.
Let's go,
We-
Sadie.
She's leading the troops.
'Cause on
posing.
Let's go to Grandma. Grandma's got the hose, the bucket.
Are you getting it all, Sydney? Oh, good job. Good job. You need some more?
Did Grandma say that that's okay? All
Go
right,
do
this is it.
these.
We'll give one to Sadie and one to Sydney and we're done. Okay, you got it.
Oh, the flowers aren't getting watered this way. I thought you were going to help water the flowers. Oh, be careful. Be careful. Where are you going? Let's go for a walk, but let's get the strollers. Come on. Come on.